In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add exponential Bollinger Bands in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, or any other asset. It's easier to follow along if your chart is in full screen, so you can clearly see all the options we'll be using. On your chart, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frame and layout controls. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, custom scripts, and community indicators. Opening this panel is the key to adding anything new to your chart, including exponential Bollinger Bands. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. The search bar lets you quickly filter through thousands of available indicators instead of scrolling around and trying to find them manually, which can be confusing if you're new to the platform. In that search box, start typing the phrase Exponential Bollinger Bands. As you type, TradingView will automatically show you matching indicators. You may see several similar options pop up, including community scripts and variations. Look for the one that clearly matches Exponential Bollinger Bands from a source you trust. When you see the correct indicator, simply click on it once. TradingView will instantly add it to your chart, and you should now see the bands plotted around the price. If the lines look too faint or the colors clash with your background, you can customize them. Hover over the indicator name in the chart legend, usually found at the top left of the chart, and click the settings icon. Here you can adjust the length, the multiplier, and the style of the bands, as well as change the colors and line thickness so they're easier to read. Take a moment to tweak these settings to match your personal trading style and make sure everything is clearly visible. If you don't have TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more advanced features and a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you a simple way to upgrade and get the most out of tools like Exponential Bollinger Bands.